Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to add featured on LinkedIn. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your LinkedIn application. Once it will be open, on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on View Profile. Next, tap on this option, Add Section. Then tap on the second option, Recommended, to expand more options in it. Now, here is the first option, Add Featured. Tap on it. Next, tap on this plus sign, and here, as you can see, you can feature your best posts, articles, documents, photos, websites, and much more. For example, I want to add a YouTube video link. So tap on it and paste your link here, and it will automatically fetch my link video and its title. And then on the top right side here, tap on Add. You can rewrite your title, also add description, and then tap on Save here. And it was successfully added. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can add featured on LinkedIn. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.